Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat. So reducing a PDF's file size can make it easier to email, upload and store Adobe Acrobat, right? So the Adobe Acrobat includes the built-in tool to compress PDFs while maintaining an acceptable level of quality. So actually guys, and to do that you will need to first open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. And before, you will need to open the Adobe Acrobat app, of course. So then just go ahead and double tap or double click on the actual PDF. So now guys, you will need to select the all tools under the menu at the top left corner and then go with compress PDF, right? So here as you can see, to use that option you will need to get the premium version of Adobe Acrobat, so you will need to subscribe to its offers or plans. So after clicking on it, you will need then to select the desired compatibility version. So then just click on compress option and choose a location to save the optimized PDF. And then of course you will need to save the file with a new name to keep the original unchanged. So actually guys, you can see here this version is the free version of it. So I'm trying to be specific on my guides and explanations. Also guys, you can use the PDF optimizer and that's only available for the Acrobat Pro plan, right? Or Acrobat Pro plan users. So for more control over the compression, you will need to go with compressor PDF, the same option, but you will need to choose inside the advanced optimization or PDF optimizer if available, and adjust the settings such as compress or downsample images, remove embedded thumbnails, discard the unused objects and metadata, and even optimize the fonts and transparency. Then click on OK and save the optimized PDF. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.